welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This is for the September box, so we're gonna dive right in. Let's see what all we got. So we have another ad for the member store. And okay, here's our booklet. Let me set down the box itself. Here's the cover. Very pretty. Okay. Wow factor. I used to stock up on Lisa Frank folders and rainbow-shaped erasers come September. Me too. These days, my fall refresh looks a little different. I'm leaning into the best version of my skin and hair with an airy Allure Best of Beauty award-winning cream to make me look dewy, a brightening facial peel that works minor miracles, and a coconut oil and keratin hair mask that is so reparative it rehabbed one editor's heavily bleached hair. It's all a lot more sophisticated than a unicorn eating donuts on a cloud, but the quick results I'm getting still fill me with a nostalgic, magical kind of wonder. So, first thing in here is a French Girl La Flore Botanical Serum. So this retails for $72, and I think this is full size, which, damn, for a box's price, that's good. So there's beauty all around. Wildcraft oils from foraged plants are nutrient dense. Why you'll love it. Botanical oils are the most decadent way to moisturize your skin, and this serum's blend of an impressive 27 natural, organic, and wildcrafted oils is as luxurious as it gets. The potent mix of mostly foraged hydrators, jojoba, rosehip, geranium, raspberry seed oils, and more seals in moisture while leaving skin looking dewy and refreshed. How you'll use it? Rub a drop or two between your fingers. A little of this rich blend goes a long way, so start small and add more if needed. Then press it into your skin morning and night for a glowing, smooth complexion. Tap a little extra onto any rough patches and put this in your travel kit. It's perfect for combating dry air on planes. Okay. Next page. Ooh, I think this has got to be full size too. It's huge. So this is Voir, a Walk in the Sun Inside Out Moisturizing and Repairing Mask. Retails for $26. It works fast, delivering softer hair that's easy to style, which is wonderful and I would love. So, why you'll love it. We'd say this hair mask is magic, but its blend of keratin, algae, coconut oil, and shea butter is rooted in science. The mix of tried and true reparative and hydrating ingredients helps revive hair that's been blow-dried, flat-ironed, or bleached. After living with green and blue and pink hair for 5 years, imagine Dermopolis's surprise when this really did soothe her stressed-out hair. How you'll use it. You could use it as a 15-minute treatment, but you'll appreciate how it works fast, too. After just 3 to 5 minutes in the shower, Dermopolis lets her hair air dry and basically fakes a blowout that holds up the rest of the day. That's pretty cool. So then we've got, is this it? Yes. So this is a sample size, no doubt. This is the Laneige Waterbank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. Full size is $40 for 50 milliliters. This is 10 milliliters. So, why you'll love it. The second you slather on this Allure Best of Beauty award-winning airy cream, you know it's a hit. It's really lightweight and moisturizing, full of some of the best hydrators out there like squalane, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. How you'll use it. A dime-sized squirt should cover up your should cover your face and neck, and it wears well under makeup. Next. This I was really shocked was in there. This is from the Body Shop, and it's Drops of Youth Liquid Peel. It retails for $25, and I can't tell if that's full size or not. It might be. It might be, actually. So, why you'll love it. If you've never, or if you're going to name a product, Drops of Youth, you'd better deliver. And this one exceeds expectations. The super gentle gel peel infused with hydrating fair trade moringa oil makes skin much clearer, fresher, and brighter. How you'll use it. Smooth a pump or two over your skin, being careful to avoid the eye area, and then rinse it off. That's it. There's no stinging, no redness, just a happy, refreshed complexion. Love that. Always love the very gentle exfoliators. Okay, then we have Commodity Milk Expressive. Cozy like cashmere, or like a cashmere blanket on a crisp fall night. So this is $135 for 100 milliliters. So there's no way this is the full size. Just saying. Why you'll love it. Commodity Milk Expresses is an enveloping, comforting, and somehow familiar from the very first spritz. The warm fragrance contains notes of marshmallow, tonka bean, and of course its namesake, milk. But a vanilla steamer this is not. The blend has a cool vibe that's reassuring and easy, like a big hug from an old friend. How you'll use it. Commodities fragrances all come in 3 different concentrations, and you're getting the medium strength expressive. Mist it on your pulse points or walk through a delicious cloud of the fragrance. Ooh. I want to see what it smells like. Let's see. Where are we at? Ooh. That smells really good. Oh, I can't wait to try that. That's really, really nice. And then we have, is this the next one? No, that's not it. This is the next one. So from Rael Beauty, it's the Miracle Patch Invisible Spot Cover. Ooh, more of these. Hydrocolloid stickers work like a band-aid to heal a pimple. So these retail for $12, so a little pricier than some of them, but nothing crazy. So why you'll love it. Hydrocolloid stickers like Rael's are the closest thing you can get to a vacuum for pimples. Like, they're not joking, though. These clear matte patches won't slip or slide as they grab oil from blemishes, shrinking them throughout through the afternoon or overnight. How you'll use it, stick one onto a burgeoning pimple and peel it off 4 to 8 hours later after the patch has turned white, or leave it on overnight. Like, honestly, these kind of stickers are a lifesaver. I know they sound stupid if you've never tried them, but, like, deadass, try them. Like, I'm pretty sure you'll find out they are an actual game changer. I was super skeptical, too, but they do work. They do. So, anyway. Finally, we have Saban Body Scrub in Patchouli Lavender Vanilla. And this is a sponsored one, apparently. So, it's $45 for 20 ounces. So, obviously, this is a sample size at, like, half an ounce. But that's okay. This smoothing, hydrating scrub is as relaxing as it is effective. Why you'll love it. The scrub is rich in skin-nourishing minerals and oils. It's made with Dead Sea salt, jojoba, almond, and borage oils, and soul-nourishing aromas. The warm lavender scent is heaven in a body scrub. How you'll use it. Massage a small scoop in circles over damp, clean skin while you're in the shower. Use this after body wash. Then rinse for a softer, subtly fragrant skin. And that's the last thing that was in this box. But oh my god, like, honestly, that is insane value for this one. Like, they did so good this month. This makes up for the month that they had, like, a little teeny tiny Sephora sample in there. I felt all ripped off. Like, this, we're good. This makes up for everything. This is such an amazing box. Like, they did so good this time. So, I am a very happy camper all around. So, anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you're following my social... What am I doing? I'm doing my own sign-off wrong. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What are you the most excited to see me review first out of these? Leave that, as well as anything else down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.